It is soup season and this is my favorite chicken soup that I make all the time in winters, and it is really good. So let's make it. I boiled one chicken breast with some salt and pepper and ginger garlic paste. Pressure cook it for 12 minutes or just cook it on the stove until the chicken is done. Shred the chicken and then separate the soup from it. These are the vegetables I use. Just chop everything very finely. Then heat up 2 tablespoons of oil, add some minced garlic to it, add all the vegetables that you chopped, add the shredded chicken as well. Stir fry this for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the spices, white pepper, black pepper, paprika, and just stir fry for another 2 minutes. Add white vinegar, dark soy sauce, some sriracha. You can skip sriracha if you don't want spicy. Add the salt. Add the chicken stock that we made. Add some more water because we are making a lot of soup. I added some sweet corn as well. You can skip it. These are the garlic bread that I use. I buy these from Aldi, and I just air fry them for like 10 to 12 minutes in the air fryer. And once the soup is boiling, add some cornflour mixed in water in it to thicken it up. Then I just added 2 eggs and mix them very gently because we are just making egg ribbons, not scrambled eggs here. And then just garnish the soup. This is my favorite chili oil that I use, and enjoy.